Okay, so in our asteroid game, we've got the asteroids moving around to make it look like the rocket's moving. We've got the rocket moving, pointing in the right direction, and we've got it making clones of itself. Only one so far, but that's okay. We can work with that. So now we need to make it so that when a clone is created, it's to the side of the screen. So to that, we're going to make a function. Make a new block. So we're going to make a block. Spawn. Spawn is another name for create. Spawn. Let's make it spawn top. So at spawn top, we're going to make it at the top of the screen, which is the top. Now we're going to do a little bit of a trick here. So we're going to make it move set Y to, and as we saw down the bottom, 200. Well, 200 is not going to work because if we check it's off screen, it's going to say, oh, it's off screen straight away and delete it. So we're going to make it at 195, just before that cutoff, just before that. Now, to make things a bit interesting, we're going to make it so the X can be at any point across the screen. So we can use random numbers again. Love random numbers for these elements. So we already know that the screen from side to side is negative 250 to 250. So we'll make it pick a random number between negative 245 all the way up to positive 245. So random minus 245 all the way up to 245. So we need it when I press up. We need to then use this spawn at the top. So we're going to put that in there. So let's see if this works. So I'm going to press move up. Oh, I think we're spawning a few too many clones. So we're going to use that same check we got here under random spawn. We're going to see if this works. It actually shouldn't be needed. I shouldn't need to do this check because we've got under random spawn only spawns if it's a clone. But let's try that, see if this helps. So under operators equals I a clone equals 0, then you can do it. Let's see if this helps. Well, it's all moving, it's all working well. I think we're going too much. Maybe if we change this number to 20, let's see if that will work. That's a bit better. Not great, but it's better. So now we're going to do the same sort of thing for spawning top for the others. Now, in all honesty, using this as a separate function isn't needed because we could just do it in that block because it was only used once. When we had the random spawn, that was used in 4 different blocks, so it made sense to make it as a separate function. I'm gonna go away from using it as a separate function and just put this code in, and I'm going to try commenting it. Now, commenting stuff is really important. So I'm going to put this, break it away from there. I'm going to put this code here. This is the code I was looking at to make it spawn top, and I'm going to delete spawn top. I have to delete every use of it first. Get rid of spawn top. Let's delete it. And now the block's no longer there. I'm going to right mouse click here, add comment. Here, I'm going to say spawns at the top of the screen. Now, this comment's really good. Tells you what it means if you put the little. So that's what comments are for. Without comments like that, someone else looking at it, or when I'm looking at it, maybe 20 days later, without working in my mind what's going on, I have no clue what that would mean, and I just think it's rubbish. So commenting your work like this tells you what's going on, tells someone else who's looking at the code, because we share this code. Someone else can look and go, oh, so that's why you're doing this, and then they can utilize it and work on it. It's really important, especially if you do coding in an industry, that you comment your code. Because if for some reason you're sick or not able to work that day, someone else can still look at your work and go, oh, I know what needs to be done because you've told me what this code means. So we're going to do this the same or the other ones. So I'm going to duplicate this, put it here for down. Now for down, I'm going to set y to minus. It's the opposite, and that's how we work. And we're going to change this code, the comment code, at the top bottom of the screen. Make it smaller. Duplicate. Oh, there we go. Now we can duplicate again. Now these ones we need to make a couple of changes because I need to swap the left and right, the y and the x around. So this needs to be minus. Now y is 200 at the top and bottom. So this should be 200 because I want to spawn it on the left. Oh, sorry, 195. Oh, sorry, this one should be. This should be minus 195. Let me just check. I think I need to have these other around. Let's give it a go. See if this works. Now the random number. I'll just remove the comment. So it makes a bit more sense like that. At the bottom, so on the, because we're moving left, should be on the left of the screen, and this should be minus 195 to 195. Same with the y, set y up here, minus 195 all the way up to 195. Spawns at the right of the screen. Okay, let's see if this works. Go left. Oh, I've got it spawning at the wrong side here, so I'm going to need to swap the values around. So if I make this 195 and make this one minus 195, let's test that now. Go right, that's what I want. Go left, it's moving that way, up, fantastic, and down, perfect. So awesome. We've got the asteroids moving around in a way that is indicative of the rocket moving through space. We've also got them spawning from the sides, so it looks seamless. They're always appearing. Next video, it's going to make them a bit more interesting.